Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. April 2025 saw Guelph's housing market hold firm on pricing, but behind that stability was a clear cooling in activity. With homes taking longer to sell, the spring market is offering both buyers and sellers a chance to reset their strategies. Let's look at some of the key market metrics in all of our local markets for the month of April relative to April of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $780,000, which represents no change from last year. The median days to sell was 18 days, which is up by 38.5%, or from 13 days last year. The total number of listings was 356, which is down by 24.3%, and the total number of sales was 152, down by 42.6%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $695,000, down by 5.5%. In Waterloo, it was $775,000, down by 4%. And in Cambridge, it was $715,000, down by 3.9%. The Guelph real estate market in April remained steady in terms of pricing, with the median sale price holding firm at $780,000, as mentioned earlier, with no change from last year. Homes took longer to sell, averaging 18 days on market, and the number of homes sold dropped. At the same time, new listings fell sharply, pointing to a quieter spring season than usual. For Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge, the relatively cool spring market that we're experiencing was more noticeable, with all three of these markets experiencing median price drops. For buyers, the cooling momentum could present opportunities. With fewer homes selling and properties staying on the market longer, there's more room to negotiate, especially if competition remains light. However, reduced inventory means options may be limited, and buyers may need to act quickly when the right home appears. Sellers, meanwhile, will need to adjust to a more deliberate market. While holding value is encouraging, attracting the right buyer may take more time and effort. Strategic pricing, strong marketing, and move-in ready presentation will be absolutely essential for standing out in a slower, leaner market. In summary, April's market reflects a standstill in pricing, but a slowdown in activity, with fewer listings and buyers in play. While not a downturn, these conditions suggest a market that's in wait-and-see mode, potentially setting the stage for renewed activity later in the year, especially if interest rates drop again and consumer confidence rebounds. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just want to understand how these numbers affect your goals, reach out anytime. I'm here to help you navigate the market with confidence. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.